Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use AutoDS on your Shopify store. So AutoDS is a dropshipping application that will help you to import product and add a dropshipping experience on your Shopify store. So here you can see it can save time and automate your dropshipping process. It can actually enjoy discount prices and custom branding with AutoDS private suppliers, step-by-step dropshipping courses and ebooks made by their pro, and the dropshipping help center and one-on-one chat support. So you can get started and you can get the free trial from here. So if I get started, simply click on get started. We have to sign in with our Google account here. So I'm going to sign in with my Google account. So here's continue. So you have to wait until it loads up. So your account was registered using email and password. Please, so I have already an email account here, already a account here. So I'm going to enter my email address and password. So actually, I'm going to sign up for a new account right now. So let's see if I can. So I sign up for a new account if you don't have so you can simply click on it, or sorry for that. You simply sign up with Google. So here you can see it has just logged me in to AutoDS. So you have to wait until it loads that platform. Now from here you can select the selling channel where you want to sell, like Shopify, eBay, or anything, Amazon platform or Facebook. So I'm going to select the Shopify here. So there is something error here, so timeout. That's not a problem. We have to wait. We can to reload this platform here. Again, we can select it. So here is all the platforms. So I'm going to let it select. So let's see if it's giving me error again. So you have to try until you get to the dashboard. Here you can see it is asking me to get that premium version here. But here is a premium version that you can get, like this one, this, and the advanced 1K. So here is the pricing, and actually it worth it. So if you purchase the premium package, because you can get different types of product and most value, you can get the most value from this application. So from here first you have to go to the Shopify. Now you can just simply go to the app and simply search for AutoDS, and here it is, AutoDS. So you have to wait until it loads up. So here is the app. So you can simply install the app on your Shopify store by simply click on that, and here you can see it is just loading, and it will redirect me to the dashboard where we can import some product as a dropshipping product to our Shopify store. Now we are on the Shopify App Store, where we can find that AutoDS, there's AI dropshipping and POD. So you can simply click on install button, or here is some details like dropshipping AutoDS about all of this instruction here, like one-stop shop dropshipping app. Don't spend hours finding training products to sell, find winning products and get AI store automated everything from product sourcing, product import, order fulfillment, and custom branding and product edits. Dropship IO from US, EU, and global dropshipping suppliers including Amazon, Alibaba, CJ Dropshipping, Walmart, AliExpress, Zen Dropshipping app, CJ Drop, Deserts, AliExpress, and Mania, UseDrop, and the DHgate, overall, and many more than. So from here you can find some benefits, and here is the platform that works with, and here you can simply find that it's installing. Now from here you can simply click on this install button to install this AutoDS dropshipping app on your store. So simply click on install. So it will install and it will get your store data. Now here you can see the app is now installed on our shop here. So it will take us to the this AutoDS platform. So here is AutoDS platform, this dropshipping and POD. So From here you can pin that dropshipping app here. So here you have to wait until it load, and you have to wait until it leads you to the dashboard. So let's see. So here it is. So it asking for the subscription again, but we are going to start for free. Anything up here, start for free and continue. And here it is. The free trial is now activated, so you can simply click on approve. So you can go with the free trial, or you can purchase the premium plan here. So here it is. So the dashboard here, so you can actually import to draft, and you can give a final approval. So here is all of the product that you can use as dropshipping products on your Shopify store, or from here you can shift to the select the destination, you can select the currency, you can shift from, you can select the where you want to shift from, then you can select the price range here, and you can select the supplier. Here you can find different types of supplier. Then from here you can search for the products. For example, I want to search for airsoft gun. Let's see if there's any airsoft gun. Sorry, not this. So there's no airsoft gun here, or we can select the supplier here, AliExpress, airsoft gun. You can simply click on this button here. So toys and hobbies, and here is airsoft guns. So there's no product here, so you can import it if you want so there's no product right now. Also you can get some toy vehicles here, like anything. So you can search for it, and toy vehicles are here. You can see some toys that you can also use as dropshipping product. So you can find different types of whole bunch of products that you can use as your dropship product. So your all the customers can buy that from your store. So you can simply click on this import to draft. You can simply click on import draft, and you can go to the view draft. And after adding all of this draft here, and here you can see it is not added yet, so I'm going to reload it again. So let's see if it's added or not. So here's marketplace. Again, we are going to import a draft of this hat here. Now view in draft. So here is one draft that actually this balloon here. So it will take a time. So the second one will be added soon. So from here you can simply click on import button here. So you can simply click on import to import that product into your product list. So here is my product. So it's that much simple to add that product here, or sometimes it will take some time to adjust with your product page. So here you can see it has just adjusted with my product page. Now if I go to my online store, here it is. Now if I go to the product page, here is the product that I have just added. But actually this is not the same category product that I am selling on my store. So you can search for that name here, and it will appear also like 10 pack. I have searched for that 10 pack, and it will also appear in your search result, and it will actually adjust it with your product page, and it will actually adjust it in your store. Now it's ready to go, and customer will easily purchase this product from your store, and it is active. So that's the simplest way, and there's a few steps that you can follow to import product as dropshipping product on your store. So that's pretty much cool. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.